Pijo in Pattaya. Sure you know where I am. It's the Hilton Hotel. The central shopping. Bit overcast today. It's Monday, 10th of June, 2024. Let's take a look around. Continue on my previous video. And we'll check out a bit more of Beach Road. Notice they've painted all the lovely lines and lanes and crossings. It's all getting modernised. The footpaths all clean. The palm trees are all in a row. It's only about 29, 30 degrees today. Been overcast, forecast rain. Hope everyone had a great weekend. King's birthday weekend in Australia. All these little shops here selling all the tourist knickknacks. The shopping centres here don't open till 11 o'clock in the morning. So for you early risers, sometimes there's not a lot to do. You go to the island, go on your tours. Hey, check out this new place here. There's the Nautical Inn. That's all new, that beer garden there. It looks nice when it's all lit up at night. Beer hub. I don't think it's 50 baht beers though. Look at that. All the parasailers out and about. Welcome to Pattaya. There's Mike Shopping Mall. Quite often go in there, get a few good stuff in that front little section. 70% off, sure. Beach looks nice and quiet. Been 11 in the morning and no sun around. There's always looks a nice hotel there, the LK Empress. Get a nice view of the beach. Ah, the old Tahitian Queen. Since 1978. Apparently it gets busy in there quite early. If you want an early drink, that's the place to go. I was out last night, LK Metro. Wasn't too busy, but it's low season now. Soy 13s. McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's in years. I don't know why anyone eats that rubbish anymore. And it's getting expensive now. It's cheaper just to buy a normal burger from a restaurant. It's the Royal Garden Plaza Shopping Centre. How's this road though? It looks nice, doesn't it? 40 kilometres an hour speed limit, they say. Now, what are they building just down here? They're going to build a giant hotel just here, the Edge Central Pattaya. You see that pretty picture there? Is that going to be on that giant block of land? And same with all this. They slowly demolish things here and there. Quick look at the beach. You get a speedboat to the island, or you get the 30 baht boat. Soy 13.3 and Soy 13.4. Yes, 40 kilometres an hour, sure. There's their pretty pictures of their footpath and palm trees. Bit of a breeze today. The Thais might need a jacket. Vito's coming through. The massage. We're down here near at Walking Street. I'll do that video another day. That's a whole long video in itself, and there's quite a few new things down in Walking Street. Walking Street. Time's changed. That used to be a bank on the corner there. And this heads back up to Second Road. But I thought I'd just show you that bit. Nothing too exciting. We'll go check out the exchange rates. I think there's the TT box just here. The #1 money exchange. There we are, just there. I don't know if you can see the rates. No, they haven't even put them up on the window. Oh, there it is on the digital board. US 36.70, Great British Pound 46.67, Aussie dollar 24.03, the Euro 39.50. So they are going up a little bit. It's the Little Mike Hotel there. So guys, I've still got a couple of minutes. Let's show you a little bit more up here then. A lot of weed shops around. Maybe they'll change the rules they're talking about next year on that situation. Tattoos, anyone want a tattoo? That soy down there looks a bit of a mess at the moment, but they are redoing certain things, so maybe it'll get better, cleaner. And here's soy 15, my little street, all finished. The roadworks are all finished now. You don't have to worry about mud anymore. But alright guys, quick video today. It's a bit overcast, picture quality's not that good. But it's Uri from Pijo. Stay safe, take care, over and out.